Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because here we don't just talk about Stoicism, we live it, breathe it, and transform our daily struggles into strength. If you're ready to master your emotions, to stay calm when the world feels chaotic, and to find peace no matter what happens, then this journey is for you. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever been stuck in traffic, your patience wearing thin, anger boiling inside you, even though deep down you know you can't change a single thing? Or maybe you faced a moment where someone insulted you and your first instinct was to fight back, but later you realized that reaction only gave them power over you. These little moments, these daily tests, are exactly where Stoicism becomes your greatest weapon. Stoicism isn't about being emotionless, it's about being unshakable. It's about building a mind so strong that no insult, no loss, no setback can steal your peace. And the secret is this: practicing Stoicism isn't something you do once. It's not a philosophy you keep locked away in books. It's something you train every single day in small, simple actions until your mind becomes like a fortress. Let's start with the first daily practice: the power of morning reflection. The Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, would begin each day by reminding themselves, "Today, I will meet people who are arrogant, selfish, and ungrateful, but none of this will disturb me." Imagine starting your morning not with chaos, not with scrolling your phone, but with a quiet reminder that the world will test you, and you will remain unshaken. That one thought changes your entire day. The second practice is mastering your reactions. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you respond that matters." Think about it. Someone cuts you off in traffic. Your heart races, your anger rises. But at that moment, you have a choice. Do you let them control your emotions? Or do you smile, breathe, and keep moving forward? Every reaction is a chance to practice Stoicism. And when you master your reactions, no one, not even the harshest critic, can control you. The third practice is voluntary discomfort. The Stoics believe that comfort makes us weak, so they train themselves by occasionally embracing discomfort. Maybe it's taking a cold shower, maybe it's skipping a meal, maybe it's choosing to walk instead of driving. Why? Because when life throws real challenges at you, hunger, loss, hardship, you'll already be trained. You won't break, you'll endure. The fourth practice is negative visualization. It may sound dark, but it's powerful. The Stoics would imagine losing the things they loved, not to make themselves sad, but to make themselves grateful. Think about it. Your family, your health, your freedom. If you imagine life without them, even for a moment, suddenly you see how precious they are. Gratitude becomes automatic. And gratitude, my friend, is one of the strongest shields against misery. The fifth practice is evening reflection. At night, before you sleep, ask yourself, what did I do well today? Where did I lose control? Where can I improve tomorrow? This simple habit transforms mistakes into lessons, and lessons into wisdom. Day by day, you sharpen your soul. And here's the truth. Practicing Stoicism in daily life isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the strongest version of yourself. It's about walking into the storms of life and saying, "Do your worst. I am ready." So tomorrow morning when you wake up, don't just rush into the noise of the world. Pause, reflect, prepare, and when life challenges you, and it will, you'll be ready to stand firm, calm, and unshakable. If this message resonates with you, remember, this is just the beginning of your Stoic journey. Subscribe now, because together we'll keep uncovering the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and learn how to master the art of life.